Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to read class 4th English, and in this textbook today we are going to do the exercise part of with a little bit of luck. The exercise which we have completed, that was the question answers of with a little bit of luck. So my dear students, the first question of this exercise is, which we are going to do today, it is tick and write the correct answers in the space provided. We should tick, and first we should tick and then we should write that word in the fill in blank space. So my dear students, part A is Joe found a gold coin, oblique diamond bangle, oval pearl necklace on the roadside. You should first tick which one is correct. Gold coin, diamond bangle, pearl necklace. Which thing Joe found on the roadside? I hope you can easily answer. Joe found a pearl necklace on the roadside. So I will write. First I will tick the right answer and then I will fill same in the blank, that is pearl necklace. Now part B is Joe badly needed food, medicine, a job. So my dear students, you can easily answer which thing Joe badly needed. Joe badly needed, is it food, is it medicine, is it a job? Your answer will be Joe needed a job. Joe badly needed a job. So I will write the right answer in the space. It is a job. So the part C is Joe was carrying, uncaring, a rude father. What type of the father Joe was? So dear students, you can easily answer. Because of his sympathy towards his family, he needs a good boots for his daughter, a good dress for himself, and good boots for his son, a good frock for his daughter, and he also needed a good dress for himself. So my dear students, what should be the right option among these three? So Joe was carrying, uncaring, a rude father. Answer: Joe was caring father. So we will write Joe was caring father. Now the part D is Joe was rewarded by offering money, clothes, a job. Which thing was given in award to Joe for his honesty or for turning the necklace? So my dear students, you can easily answer among these three which thing he was rewarded. So we can say Joe was rewarded by offering a job of a gardener. Now the part E is Joe worked as a driver, gardener, teacher in Mr. June's house. What will be the right answer? Driver, gardener, or teacher? Your answer will be Joe worked as a gardener. So first we will tick the right answer. and we will fill same in the blank provided on this book. Joe worked as a gardener. So part second of this exercise, and the question is write the antonyms of the following. So my dear students, I will once again for your information repeat it what the antonyms mean. So antonyms means the opposite words. So you should write the opposite words of the words which are given here. First word is old and second one is polite and honest, friend, smile, right, take, sell. So first one is old. The question is write the antonyms of the following. So what is the antonym, or we can say opposite of old? So your answer will be new. Second is polite. What will be the opposite of polite? Rude. Third one is honest, and the opposite of honest is, or we can say antonym of opposite is dishonest. Dishonest. And next word is friend. What is the antonym of friend? Enemy. Now the second word, smile. What is the antonym of smile, or we can say what is the opposite of smile? Frown. And next word is right. What is the opposite of right? Wrong. Next word take. What is the opposite of take? So the opposite of take is give. Next word is sell, and the opposite of sell is buy. So now the question number 3 is complete the following. You should complete the blanks by a proper word. A pair of. In these words you should write the names of those things which are in pair. So first one, a pair of, you can easily say a pair of shoes, because shoes are always in pair. And next is a pair of socks. Socks are also in pair. A pair of gloves. Gloves are also in pair. Pair means in two, or we can say joda. So a pair of earrings which are worn by the female in their ears. A pair of boots. So my dear students, with this we completed this exercise portion of this lesson with a little bit of luck. I hope you have got it well. So my dear students, I will come up with next class. Since then, thank you.